Take a ride in the 2026 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated steering wheel, automatic climate control, trailer brake controller, lumbar support. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.